Best beard trimmers. We collect top 6 best beard trimmers. Among the whole brand, Smart Reviews is the best channel for reviews. Please subscribe and share and click below description link for more details. When purchasing as a gift, you want to make sure that you purchase the best beard trimmer available for the man who will be on the receiving end. One of the ways to accomplish this is by comparing the different brands that are available and getting the features that fit within your budget. When you are trying to narrow down choice, you should look at several different aspects that are common. These include the ease in which they can be used, their different trimming depths, motor speeds, battery life, and any additional benefits that are specific to each brand. Specific things to look for when purchasing. The first thing you should do is look at the man you will be purchasing for. Will he like or need one that is more portable? If so, many manufacturers offer a model that can be battery operated, which can be very helpful for a man who travels frequently. If portability is not necessary, you can then choose a model or brand that has a cord for recharging and then can be unplugged and used cordless. Another important thing to consider is how many different settings are available. Men generally have a desired length of beard that they like to maintain, and it is important the one you choose can accommodate it. Most start with a depth that will allow them to maintain a 2-day growth or stubble effect. The standard for different settings depends on the manufacturer, but most of them have a minimum of 6 adjustable settings and some will give you up to 12 to choose from. There are other features that differ by brand also. For example, some models will give you a choice of motor speeds. They will give you the option of 2 different speeds to choose from, and other models will just have a click below the description for more details, and like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.